Hi, in this video we will be talking about achieving relationship goals. Watch this video to the end to learn tips and tricks from real couples. Welcome back to Relationship Facts. Achieving relationship goals is a journey that requires dedication, understanding, and effective communication. While every couple's journey is unique, there are some tips and tricks gleaned from real couples that can help strengthen and sustain a loving relationship. Communication is key. Many successful couples emphasize the importance of open and honest communication. This means actively listening to your partner, expressing your feelings, and discussing issues calmly and respectfully. Regular check-ins can help maintain a strong emotional connection and prevent misunderstandings from festering. Prioritize quality time. In today's busy world, it's easy to get caught up in work and other obligations. However, making time for each other is crucial. Whether it's a weekly date night, a weekend getaway, or simply enjoying a meal together without distractions, prioritize quality time to nurture your bond. Show appreciation. Small gestures of appreciation can go a long way in strengthening your relationship. Express gratitude for the little things your partner does, whether it's making dinner, offering a listening ear, or simply being there for you. Feeling appreciated fosters a sense of mutual respect and love. Support each other's goals. Encourage each other to pursue individual passions and goals. Whether it's a career aspiration, a personal hobby, or a fitness goal, supporting each other's dreams demonstrates unwavering commitment and builds trust. Maintain intimacy. Physical intimacy is an important aspect of any romantic relationship, but emotional intimacy is equally crucial. Take the time to connect on a deeper level by sharing your thoughts, fears, and aspirations with each other. Engage in meaningful conversations that strengthen your emotional bond. Learning to forgive and let go of past grievances is essential for moving forward together. Holding on to resentment only creates distance between partners, whereas forgiveness fosters healing and growth. Keep the romance alive. Don't let the spark fade away. Surprise each other with thoughtful gestures, plan spontaneous date nights, or revisit special places that hold sentimental value. Small romantic gestures remind your partner of your love and keep the romance alive. Work through challenges together. Every relationship faces its share of challenges, whether it's financial struggles, career changes, or family conflicts. Instead of letting these challenges drive you apart, tackle them as a team. Approach problems with a solutions-oriented mindset, and lean on each other for support during tough times. Celebrate milestones together. Whether it's your anniversary, a promotion at work, or a personal achievement, celebrate milestones together. Acknowledge each other's successes and take pride in each other's accomplishments. Sharing in each other's joy strengthens your bond and creates lasting memories. Never stop growing together. Lastly, remember that relationships require continuous effort and growth. Keep learning about each other, exploring new experiences together, and adapting to changes as they arise. Embrace the journey of growth and transformation, and let your love for each other continue to flourish over time. By incorporating these tips and tricks into your relationship, you can work towards achieving your relationship goals and building a strong, lasting bond with your partner. Certainly. Let's delve deeper into each of these tips and explore additional insights and strategies for achieving relationship goals. Effective communication. The foundation of a strong relationship. Effective communication is not just about talking, it's about truly understanding and being understood by your partner. This involves active listening, empathy, and the ability to express your thoughts and feelings clearly. Practice active listening by giving your full attention to your partner without interrupting or formulating your response while they speak. Show empathy by acknowledging their emotions and validating their experiences. Additionally, be transparent about your own feelings and needs, even if they are difficult to express. Avoid passive-aggressive behavior or expecting your partner to read your mind. Instead, openly discuss any concerns or issues that arise in a calm and respectful manner. Remember that communication is a skill that can be honed over time, so make a conscious effort to improve your communication habits and prioritize honest dialogue in your relationship. Quality time. Making your relationship a priority in today's fast-paced world, quality time can often be overlooked amidst busy schedules and obligations. However, investing time in your relationship is essential for fostering intimacy and connection. Schedule regular date nights or mini getaways to spend quality time together without distractions. This could involve trying new activities, revisiting favorite spots, or simply enjoying each other's company at home. Additionally, prioritize daily rituals that allow you to connect, such as sharing meals together, going for walks, or cuddling before bed. Carving out dedicated time for your relationship sends a powerful message that your bond is a priority in your life, strengthening your connection and deepening your love for each other. Expressing appreciation. Cultivating gratitude in your relationship. Expressing gratitude is a simple yet powerful way to strengthen your relationship and foster a sense of appreciation between partners. Make a habit of regularly acknowledging and thanking your partner for the little things they do, whether it's making coffee in the morning, helping with household chores, or offering emotional support during difficult times. Genuine appreciation fosters a positive atmosphere in your relationship and reinforces feelings of love and respect. Additionally, take the time to notice and compliment each other's strengths, accomplishments, and qualities. By cultivating a culture of gratitude in your relationship, you create a supportive and uplifting environment where both partners feel valued and cherished. Supporting each other's goals. Building a foundation of mutual growth. A healthy relationship is one where both partners support each other's personal growth and aspirations. Take an active interest in your partner's goals and dreams, offering encouragement, motivation, and practical support along the way. This could involve helping them brainstorm ideas, providing feedback, or simply being a listening ear when they need to talk. Celebrate their successes and milestones together, no matter how big or small, and be there to provide comfort and reassurance during setbacks or challenges. Likewise, don't hesitate to share your own goals and ambitions with your partner, inviting them to be a part of your journey towards self-improvement and fulfillment. By fostering an environment of mutual support and encouragement, you create a strong foundation for growth and development within your relationship. Nurturing intimacy. Connecting on physical and emotional levels. Intimacy encompasses both physical and emotional connection, playing a vital role in the health and longevity of your relationship. While physical intimacy is important, emotional intimacy is equally essential for building trust, vulnerability, and closeness between partners. Make an effort to connect with your partner on a deeper level by sharing your thoughts, feelings, and innermost desires. This could involve engaging in meaningful conversations, expressing vulnerability, and actively listening to each other's perspectives. Additionally, prioritize physical affection and closeness in your relationship, whether through cuddling, holding hands, or engaging in intimate moments together. By nurturing both physical and emotional intimacy, you create a strong and fulfilling bond that sustains your connection over time. Practicing forgiveness. Letting go of resentment and moving forward. Forgiveness is an essential component of any healthy relationship, allowing couples to move past conflicts and challenges with grace and compassion. However, forgiveness is not always easy and may require time, effort, and patience from both partners. Practice empathy and understanding by trying to see things from your partner's perspective and acknowledging the impact of your actions on their feelings. Express remorse and take responsibility for any mistakes or hurtful behaviors, demonstrating your commitment to repairing the relationship. Likewise, be willing to forgive your partner for their shortcomings and mistakes, recognizing that nobody is perfect. Remember that forgiveness is a process, and it's okay to seek support from a trusted friend, family member, or therapist if you're struggling to let go of resentment. By practicing forgiveness and letting go of grudges, you create space for healing, growth, and reconciliation within your relationship. Keeping the romance alive. Cultivating passion and connection. Romance is an essential element of any successful relationship, infusing it with excitement, passion, and joy. Keep the spark alive by prioritizing romantic gestures and surprises that demonstrate your love and affection for your partner. This could involve planning thoughtful date nights, writing love letters, or surprising them with small gifts or acts of kindness. Additionally, make an effort to keep things exciting and spontaneous in your relationship by trying new activities together, exploring new places, or indulging in shared hobbies and interests. Don't underestimate the power of simple gestures, such as holding hands, kissing, or cuddling, to reignite passion and intimacy in your relationship. By actively cultivating romance and connection, you create a vibrant and fulfilling partnership that stands the test of time. Working through challenges. Strengthening your bond in the face of adversity. Every relationship faces its share of challenges, from communication issues and disagreements to external stressors such as financial problems or health concerns. Instead of viewing challenges as obstacles, approach them as opportunities for growth and strengthening your bond as a couple. Practice effective conflict resolution strategies, such as active listening, compromise, and seeking common ground, to navigate disagreements and find mutually satisfying solutions. Remember that it's okay to seek outside help if you're struggling to resolve conflicts on your own, whether through couples therapy, relationship workshops, or self-help resources. By facing challenges together with resilience and determination, you demonstrate your commitment to each other and build a stronger, more resilient relationship in the process. Celebrating milestones. Honoring your journey together. Milestones are important markers in your relationship journey, whether it's your anniversary, a significant achievement, or a major life event. Take the time to celebrate these milestones together, reflecting on your journey as a couple and expressing gratitude for the experiences you've shared. Create meaningful rituals and traditions that honor these special occasions, whether it's a romantic dinner, a weekend getaway, or a heartfelt exchange of gifts. By celebrating milestones together, you create cherished memories and strengthen your bond as a couple, reinforcing the love and connection you share. Continued growth and evolution. Embracing change and transformation. A successful relationship is one that evolves and grows over time, adapting to the changing needs, desires, and circumstances of both partners. Embrace change as a natural part of your relationship journey, remaining flexible and open-minded as you navigate new experiences together. Be willing to make adjustments and compromises as needed to ensure the health and happiness of your partnership. Additionally, continue to invest in your personal growth and development as individuals, pursuing new interests, hobbies, and goals that enrich your lives and bring you closer together as a couple. By incorporating these tips and strategies into your relationship, you can cultivate a strong, loving bond that stands the test of time. Remember that every relationship is unique, so find what works best for you and your partner and continue to nurture your love and connection every step of the way. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on relationship facts. See you next time.